Chico da Mi Chico, dance on Mi Chico, come we cruise me.
Let's make the viral dance to Mi Chico doable. I'm going to break it down step by step. So start with your feet apart, and you're going to have a bend in your knees and sort of angle your body to the left. And I'll turn around and do it to the back in just a minute. Your hands are going to start on your waist, and I actually sort of put the backs of my hands on my waist, and you're going to just contract your shoulders in. So you're going to go in, and then your hands come to your chest, and do it again, contract in. So you have 1, 2. And you can kind of invert your right knee and just kind of bounce on it. So you're going 1, 2, and think about sitting back into your leg whenever you're coming forward with your shoulders. And you're just going to swim your arms right, left, right, left. And some people do their hands like they're swimming. Some people do fists, so just whatever you want to do on that part. So you have 1, 2, swim, 3, 4. You're just going to keep that same bounce. Then you're going to push your hands down, pull them up, down, pull them up, and you're going to go right, left, and you're going to start over on your right, but then you're going to stop and you clap, clap. So from the back, you have facing the left a little bit. You have 1, 2, swim, 3, 4, go to the right, left, wait, clap, clap. Now you're going to, from your clap, clap, you're going to swim your arms forward like this, and then bring it back. So you're going forward on your right leg, and then come back on your left leg. And if you want, you can do your knees with your hands, so both are swimming out as you come to the front and to the back. And then I'm bringing my right foot back so that I can step on my left foot for the next part. So you're going to step with your left foot out, reach your right hand across and pull it up to your shoulder, and then left across and up to your shoulder. And you're going to step on each leg as you do that. So step with your left, step with your right. Now cross your arms in front, and when you do, just sort of shift over to the left a little bit, bring them back, they come down and behind your head. So that part is right hand, left hand, crisscross, hips behind your head. So from the back, all of that, we have in, swim, 3, 4, go right, left, right, clap, clap, swim front, swim back, and go pull, pull, crisscross, hips, head. From here, you're just going to do a slow hip to the right, slow hip to the left, and keep your knees very soft and just kind of set into it to the right, set into it to the left. And then you're going to do 4 faster ones and pull your hands down to your waist and go right, left, right, left. And you're just, again, kind of swimming your hips. So you sit to the right, bring it up, set to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you can finish with this, or I've seen people finish all different ways. So one more time from the back. We have 1, 2, swim, 3, 4, pull right, pull left, clap, clap, swim front, swim back, and reach across, across, hips, head, and hips go slow, and fast, 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 and finish. That's it. I hope that helped.